Hello friends, welcome again. In this video I'm going to test the edit post. So first I'm going to test if we have edit route, and right now we don't have. So if I go to the post/1 and edit, yeah, we have 404. But we are going to test with test, and I have created a Pest post edit test, and before each I added a new user and post. And here we have has post edit row. The first test right now is empty. And also if I add Pest, yeah, everything is okay with only one risky, which is this one. So let's test if we have a route. So we need to first we need to act as a user, because only the authenticated user can visit the edit route. So for that I'm going to say $response is going to be with $this acting as $this user and get /post/ and $this post ID, post ID, and now edit. And if we have now the assert status 200, let's test this, and it's going to fail. Of course, we don't have that route, so we have 404, the same thing we have here. Okay, let's get and create that in the web routes. I'm going to copy this and paste it down, and I'm going to say get post, and here we need to add the post ID and /edit. The controller is going to be edit method, and also the name I'm going to add it post edit. And if I run now, we don't have this edit method, so it's going to fail again. So let's test, and yeah, it's going to fail that the edit method does not exist. So let's create that. Go to the controller and create the edit method. So after here, public function edit, and here we need the post and $post, and I'm going to say here $ or return the view post edit. We don't have that, but I'm going to create and add the compact post here. And if I test again, it's going to fail because we don't have this post edit page. But let's run and make the test drive on development look good. So view post edit not found. Let's create that in the post, or open this and save as edit. And here I'm going to say update post. The route is going to be update, but we don't have that route, so I'm going to remove this. And the title, okay, so let's say here update and run the test, and now it's going to pass. So everything okay, good. Now I'm going to create another test. So let's copy this and write it after and say if we have the details in the page. Okay, so the post details, we have a post. And after that, I'm going to check if we see that the post details in this row. So has the post details in the form, I'm going to say, because we need to add to populate the form here. So if I navigate now, yeah, right now it's empty, but when we edit, we need to see the title, the body, and the status here. Right now we don't have that, so for that I'm going to check acting as a user and say here assert C. And if we see the $sign, this post title, if we see the title here. So right now it's going to fail because we don't see the title. And yeah, it's not contains this one, which is the title. Let's go to the edit blade and add it in the input. So add the value. And it's going to be $sign post title. And if I run the test, yeah, passed because we see now the title. So if I refresh, yeah, we see the title. And if I check also for the body, also say assert C. And this body. Right now we don't have that, but it's going to fail. Yeah, this not contain that one. So if I add it in the edit and grab the value and paste it here, so copy and paste it down and say post body and run the test again, it's going to pass and passed. Okay. If I refresh, of course, it's going to pass. Now, if the authenticated use, if we are not authenticated and we need to redirect if we are not authenticated. So for that, because I think in the web, yeah, we added the out middleware, and if I log out and visit that route, yeah, it's going to redirect to the login page. So let's test that. It redirects unauthenticated user just redirect unauthenticated user and make a closure. And what we need to say here, the same thing we have here, just copy or copy this one. And we don't need to act in as user, just without user. And we need to say assert status 302 and run this and passed. Okay, friends. So we make a post edit route. We have details in the form and redirects if we are unauthenticated. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.